Welcome, in front of me I have ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I will show you a couple camera tricks. Oh, I just misclicked for the clock, but we have to open camera for sure. And as you can see right now, we are in the camera, and I will talk about the features that we can find in the settings, and after that I will talk about the modes. So let's tap on the left upper corner to enter the settings, and at the first we can quickly add the self timer. So when you tap right here and choose 2, 5 or 10 seconds, so let's go for the 2, and then go for the picture, tap on the shutter. After 2 seconds the photo will be taken. Oh, let me just clean my screen because it's messy a little bit, it doesn't look good. Okay, and the next option is called the picture size. We can quickly increase quality of our photo by tapping here and going for 8 megapixel, the highest resolution that is available here. It's 4:3 into the into the aspect ratio, so it changed a little bit. And we can also add the watermark to the photo. So when you tap on the switcher and then take a photo, on the left corner, probably the left one, the left bottom corner, and there we get the model of our smartphone, as you can see. So it was shot on the ULEFONE Note 8P. We can also go right here for the settings and find the volume keys option. So when you tap here, you can switch to zoom or volume. I always prefer to go for the zoom, and take a look right now. When you press the volume up or volume down button, just like that, you can smoothly zoom in. As you can see, you can zoom in by tapping on the volume key, just like that. Or tap on the volume down button and you can zoom out. So for me it's better than pinching screen with 2 fingers. And I think that from the settings is all. Oh, we can also add the grid lines that appears on the screen. And right now, if you want to put object into the middle of the photo, it will be definitely much easier because we got here this help grid lines. And what I can say about the mode, so we got the standard picture mode and the video mode, but we get here the monochromatic photo, so they're only black and white colors. So take a look. There it is. Now when we are in the picture mode, we can easily click and hold for the screen, and when we tap on this sun icon, we can change the brightness level, as you can see. We get here also the beauty mode, so we can improve face beauty, like you can change shape of the jaw, of the chin. We can make bigger eyes, or just make a smooth face. Now we got also the bokeh mode, but honestly it looks really bad. I don't recommend to use this mode. We get the pro mode, where we can apply a few things like white balance by moving this switcher. Let's enter another time. So yeah, there is the white balance mode. Oh, come on, it's broken or something like that. So when you tap just like that, instead of swiping, you can quickly change the white balance, the same for the ISO and for the EV. And you can also find tutorial on our YouTube channel how to use this mode. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.